Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Blue Water Boosters. We got a good one today. We got a pre-release pack of Modern Horizons 2. Picked this up at my local game shop, and yep, that's where I get all my pre-release stuff. They have a whole wide selection. They're like, it doesn't sell that fast. He's like, you guys, like, you buy all of it. You buy all the pre-releases because nobody else wants them. So, okay, cool, man. So, beautiful deck box. I like that. Get the dice. Beautiful Modern Horizons 2 dice. Love it. Put that with the rest of them. All right, let's get into it. Yeah, there's nothing else in this box. Yep, cool. All right, Squirrels of the Multiverse. Cool. I guess I'm building a squirrel deck. Ah, Chitter Spitter. I love it. Cool, cool, cool. All right, and a token. Oh, there's more cards in here. Oh, okay. That's cool. What else did I get? Oh, just some tokens. Cool. And the Chitter Spitter. Love it. All right. Let's get into some Modern Horizons 2. We're looking for Urza's Saga. I don't think we can get the showcase foil in these. We're looking for Esper Sentinel. We're looking for the fetch lands. Cabal, yep, all the fetch lands. Ravgan. That's a fetch land. That's a fetch land. Yep, all the fetch lands. Let's get it. All right. Revolutionist. Shattered Ego. Recluse. Initiate. Lens Flare. Chrome Courier. Canticle. Fodder Tosser. There's the Knight. Crypt Keeper. Flame Blitz. Dromedary. Witness. Elder. Fractured Sanity. Whoa. I think that's good. 14 cards? Wow. Okay. Well, it's a $3 rare, but that's still pretty dope. Damn. Trying to get that not countered, it's gonna suck. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Scoundrel. Evidence. Daggertooth. Potential. Raise. Bridge. Another Courier. Another Canticle. Another Tosser. Knight. Redaction. Abiding Grace. Vance. Another Elder. Soul Talisman. And a treasure token. All right. Not bad. No value yet, but we'll get it. Sometimes it's not about the value. Sometimes it's about the fun. All right, another of those. Ego. That's what's going to happen if I don't get any value out of this. Manticore. Kolos. Goat Beast. Interesting. This shit. Salvaging. Avenger. Squirrel. All right, that can be pretty good. Put that in the squirrel deck. Scour the desert. I think that's good. Respite. Soul Snare. And a Sanctum Weaver. Interesting. Cool. No problem. And a food token. Gotta love those tokens. All right, $4. No, I lied. $2.50 on the Sanctum Weaver. No worries. All right, got to have a battle plan. Spinner. I smell fear. I don't think that's fear. Slasher. World Weary. Knighted Mirror. retro foil or retro art, Goldmeyer bridge, Dreadmaw, another bridge, Hermit, Scuttletide, Fey Offering, Removal, Necrogoyf, okay, and another food token. All right, 2 packs left. 2 packs left. We'll get it. We'll get it. Don't worry. Ariel's Spear, so shiny. Lens Flare, Gorger, Raise, another bridge, another Courier, another Canticle, another Tosser. Hey, wait a second. Acolyte, Fast and Furious, Radiant Epicure, ooh, Scroll Mob. I like that one. Oh, double, oh, and a Mythic. Cool. Ravgam. We got a chase. We got a chase. Ravgam. There we go. 29.72. Beautiful. Excellent. There's a good chase. All right, we'll throw that in there. Whoop. Beautiful. All right, and all is not lost. All right, Scroll Mob, nothing, but can be good in a Scroll deck, maybe. All right, let's go. Last pack magic. Even though that pack was pretty magic, I'm not gonna lie. Recalibrate, Strike, Reaver, Curator, Koloss, Crypt Keeper, another bridge, Scrappling, another bridge, Disciple of the Sun, Insurrection, Calm, Archfiend of Sorrows, Mog Salvage. All right, and nice. Verdant Catacombs. Beautiful. All right, last pack magic of Fetch. All right, regular art, Verdant Catacombs. All right, let's see what we got here. 21.29. Beautiful. Did we make the money back on the thing? I think I paid 50 bucks for it. I think so. I think we got our money back. I will take that all day long. Excellent. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a like. And go check out all of the other videos and reels I have over on that shorts page. So yeah, until next time, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.